Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the error BIOS legacy boot or UEFI only media problem on your laptop. So let me just show you. When you try to install a new Windows on your PC, then you're going to face this problem, which is BIOS legacy boot. Let me boot from USB. And there you can see this is the error. If you're facing the same thing, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So watch the video till the end to fix this error. So guys, basically what you need to do is you need to turn off your PC and install Windows on your operating system. You cannot install Windows from here because the USB we have is not made in MBR, it's made in GPT. So we can just install Windows by starting the PC. We cannot install it from the BIOS or from the boot menu. This is called the UEFI boot. So just watch the video till the end to install Windows on your PC. So guys, as you have seen, the Windows is successfully installed on the PC. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.